Hi, I'm Sherry Sutherland with Tranquility Soul Spa, and I want to share with you my 3 secrets to living with joie de vivre, that joy of life that is so incredibly empowering. Now, these are the 3 secrets that I actually share with my clients on a daily basis, and I like to call them the 3 legs of the stool that you need to sit on in your life. The first one is habits. If you don't have good habits in your life, you're never going to actually feel confident and comfortable in it. Make sure that you're moving right and that you're moving every day. Make sure that you're eating well, that you're drinking lots of water, that you are taking care of yourself, and that you are honoring the body that you have. Second thing, absolutely stop torturing yourself. Stop making that inner conversation horrific. We all do it. We listen to that inner voice that is not helpful, that is not kind, that does not tell us things that we actually should hear. We listen to the voice that tells us how bad we are, how stupid we are, how dumb we are, how awful we've done at things, that beats us up, that tears us down, or that makes us a victim. None of those are healthy. Stop doing that, please. The third thing, and it's probably the most important, but the other 2 are equally important, but I really like to say this one's more important. You have to know your why. You have to know your purpose for making these changes, because if you don't know your why, you're not going to make it stick. You have to have a passion in life, and that passion needs to be something that drives you forward, that keeps you going, that absolutely inspires you and convinces you that you can do this and that there's a reason why you want to do it. Because if you don't have that, none of it's going to actually work. So I encourage you to try using these 3 things in your life and absolutely watch your life explode. And on this day of joy, use these tools to get yourself to the place where next year at this time, you are thinking, God, I freaking love my life. I'm so lucky. Thank you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are in this big, beautiful, awe-inspiring world. And know that you are enough, and put into place those 3 practices. Bye.